Hey indie music rock stars. In today's video, I am going to teach you the song Sunshine of Your Love. We're going to work on the riff, we're going to learn the chords together, and I am so excited to jam this super fun song with you. So come on in, let's practice together. For this riff, I recommend using your pointer finger and putting it here on your 7th fret on the D string. If you have dots on your guitar, it'll either be your 2nd dot or your 3rd dot, depending on what type of guitar you have. So the first part of the riff is 1, 2, then we're going to go to this dot, 3, 4. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second part, we're going to go to our A string. We're going to stay here on this dot, and we're going to do 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that together. 1, 2, 3. Now the last part, we're going to go here to your 1st dot, or if you don't have any dots, this will be just a blink fret for you, but it's your 3rd fret. And the last part is, so we're still in the A string, and I'm not using any fingers, I'm just playing the A string open, and I'm putting my pointer finger here on the 3rd fret, A string, and then I'm taking it off again. Good, so let's try that whole riff. We're going to come here to our D string, 7th fret. Now we're going up to the A string. Very good. Let's try that a little faster. Excellent job. Now, if we're going to go full speed, let me show you what that would look like. So why don't we try that together? Here we go. We're going to challenge ourselves. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. That sounds awesome. Now, the chords for this song are very simple. A major, C major, and G major. So let's practice A major together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Now let's practice C major together. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent. Now let's practice G major together. 1, 2, 3, go. Excellent. The pattern is A, C, and G. So here's the chords and the strumming pattern. Okay, so let's try that one time together. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Excellent. Now, just for fun, let's put everything together. So let's play the riff 2 times, and then we'll play the chords 2 times. All right? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Excellent job. You did it. That sounds so amazing. Way to go, Rockstar. Thank you so much for jamming with me today, Rockstar. You learned a new song today. You should feel really proud of yourself. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. Keep practicing. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and we will see you again next time.